There's one goal for this project, to make an awesome sleeper build, but for the lowest price possible. With the blank canvas being a casing of a compact Desperate EN, and the internals from an NEC computer, let's see how close we can get to this goal. This is my ultimate 2017 sleeper build. Now this is where I made a common rookie mistake. Yep, I broke the drill bit. Well, I guess the moral of the story is, take time and you'll get better results. Once I got another drill bit, we were off again. So, we now have our motherboard standoff screwed in, but there's one problem we have to deal with: the original compact motherboard screws. Now, for this, it's going to require a Dremel, but because I'm a kind neighbour, I didn't think it would be very appropriate to do it at 8 PM, so we're going to have to wait until tomorrow. So, after 2 to 3 coats, this is the final product. I don't know about you, but I think that turned out awesome. So, during the planning of this, I did forget about something: the length of the power supply cables, which meant I had to wait a week for some extensions to arrive. So once they arrived, I finally put them in, and the build was complete.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
It's not about personality matrixels and charts. It's all about the bumps in your heart.
Dude, you're getting it down.